Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to sign off for Likee account with a phone number, or how to create your Likee account with a phone number. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So you can see on my screen that I've already installed Likee app. You can also get it to Play Store, App Store, and after getting it, just simply tap on it. To open it, you can see that this is the particular homepage, but this is not our particular person homepage. So to create one account for it with phone number, I'm going to tap on this profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. This will take me to the very first page of entering my profile over here. Since I am going to create one with phone number, you can see on the very bottom of getting an option of Facebook, phone, email and VK. You can simply tap on phone next to Facebook, and you can simply insert one of the phone number with your country code just like this. And when you're done, you can tap on sign up, login with phone with this pink background. So you'll get a code over here. Just wait for a verification code simply on your phone. So I do have it, and I've already inserted it as well. So you can see now I do have an option of setting a password. So I am going to keep a password which is convenient for me to use again and again. And when you're done, tap on done option just above C letter. So now I do have an option of keeping a username. I am going to use one of the username that I can use again and again. Alright. And when I'm done, I'm going to keep my birth date as well. And when I'm done, I'm going to tap on confirm just next to cancel. And I can even confirm my gender as well. So I'm going to choose female and then tap on next option just below over here. Now I can discover more of my friends if I want to. You can see I do have following of 2 of the friends already, and I can even access more of the contacts if I do have it. After that, I'm going to tap on got it just in the bottom. So you can see this in a particular homepage right over here, and I have simply created an account with my phone number. So this is how you do it. This is how you sign off for a Likee account or create one with your phone number. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.